I'm Dr. KK Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, R Classes. This is multiple choice questions on organizational behavior part 3rd. This I have compiled in view of your examination scheduled to be held very soon. This paper is useful not only for UG but even PG students, those who are to write their final semester's examinations. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Maslow grouped the 5 needs into 2 categories. Options are A. Higher order needs and lower order needs. B. Supreme needs and local needs. C. Self needs and other needs. D. Luxurious needs and comfort needs. Correct option is A. Higher order needs and lower order needs. Question number 2. If everyone who is faced with a similar situation responds in the same way, attribution theory states that the behavior shows dash. Options are A. Consensus. B. Similarity. C. Reliability. D. Consistency. Correct option is A. Consensus. Question number 3. Your boss never gives you the benefit of the doubt. When you were late back from lunch, he assumed that you had simply taken too much time. He never considered that the elevators were out and you had to walk up 10 flights of stairs. Your boss is guilty of dash. Options are A. Self-serving bias. B. Selective perception. C. Fundamental attribution error. D. Inconsistency. Correct option is C. Fundamental attribution error. Now move to next question number 4. Mr. Sanjeev rated Mr. Rajiv high in his job evaluation because both belong to same area and graduated from the same university. It is an example of options are A. Central tendency. B. Halo effect. C. Similar to me effect. D. Misperception. Correct option is C. Similar to me effect. 5. All the following are dimensions of intellectual ability except options are A. Inductive reasoning. B. Dynamic strength. C. Deductive reasoning. D. Number aptitude. Correct option is A. Inductive reasoning. Question number 6. A threatened strike action by a labor union to force the management to accept their demands is an example of which of the following power? Options are A. Referent power. B. Legitimate power. C. Reward power. D. Coercive power. Correct option is D. Coercive power. Question number 7. What sort of actions is most likely to be attributed to external causes? Options are A. Actions that have high distinctiveness, high consensus and high consistency. B. Actions that have high distinctiveness, high consensus and low consistency. C. Actions that have high distinctiveness, low consensus and low consistency. And D. Actions that have low distinctiveness, low consistency and high consensus. So correct option if you compare is D. Actions that have low distinctiveness, low consistency and high consensus. Now question number 8. Which of the following departmentalization can be considered necessary in an organization where the company's products fall into several categories with very different production methods for each category? Options are A. Customer. B. Production. C. Process. D. Matrix. Correct option is C. Process. Question number 9. Mr. Diras has a job which pays an excellent salary. He has a good relationship with his peers and his supervisors. He also likes the fact that the company policy fits well with what he personally believes and that he has received considerable recognition for his achievements at the company. Which of these factors is most likely responsible for the fact that Diras loves his job? Options are A. High compensation. B. Good nature of peer relationships. C. Good nature of superior relationships. D. Recognition for his achievements. Correct option is D. Recognition for his achievements. 10. Job appraisal is the part of dash A. Sociology. B. Anthropology. C. Psychology. D. Political science. Correct option is C. Psychology. 11. If everyone who is faced with a similar situation responds in the same way, attribution theory states that the behavior shows options are A. Consensus. B. Similarity. C. Reliability. D. Consistency. Correct option is A. Consensus. 12. Over the past 2 decades, business schools have added required courses on people skills to many of their curricula. Why have they done this? Options are A. Managers no longer need technical skills in subjects such as economics and accounting to succeed. B. There is an increased emphasis in controlling employee behavior in the workplace. C. Managers need to understand human behavior if they are to be effective. D. These skills enable managers to effectively lead human resources departments. Correct option is C. Managers need to understand human behavior if they are to be effective. 13. Which of the following is most likely to be a belief held by a successful manager? Options are A. Technical knowledge is all that is needed for success. B. It is not essential to have sound interpersonal skills. C. Technical skills are necessary but insufficient alone for success. D. Effectiveness is not impacted by human behavior. Correct option is C. Technical skills are necessary but insufficient alone for success. Now, 14. What term used for the extent to which an individual displays different behaviors in different situations? Options are A. Continuity, B. Integrity, C. Flexibility, D. Distinctiveness. Correct option is D. Distinctiveness. Question number 15. What does consensus refer to in attribution theory? Options are A. There is general agreement about a perception. B. Different people respond the same way in the same situation. C. There is general agreement about how people desire to respond to the same situation. D. Different people perceive a situation similarly. Correct option is B. Different people respond the same way in the same situation. 16. Which of the following is not one of the four primary management functions? Options are A. Controlling, B. Planning, C. Staffing, D. Organizing. Correct option is C. 17. Determining how tasks are to be grouped is part of which management function? Options are A. Planning, B. Leading, C. Controlling, D. Organizing. Correct option is D. Organizing. 18. Mintzberg concluded that managers perform 10 different highly related roles. Which of the following is one of the broad categories into which these roles could be grouped? Options are A. Intrapersonal, B. Institutional, C. Decisional, D. Affective. Correct option is C. Decisional. 19. As manager, one of James' duties is to present awards to outstanding employees within his department. Which Mintzberg managerial role is James acting in when he does this? Options are A. Leadership role, B. Liaison role, C. Monitor role, D. Figurehead role. Correct option is D. Figurehead role. Question number 20. According to Mintzberg, one of management's interpersonal roles is options are A. Spokesperson, B. Leader, C. Negotiator, D. Monitor. Correct option is B. Leader. Question number 21. According to Katz, when managers have the mental ability to analyze and diagnose complex situations, they possess skills. Options are A. Technical, B. Leadership, C. Problem solving, D. Conceptual. Correct option is D. Conceptual. Question number 22. According to Fred Luthans and his associates, which of the following is considered a part of traditional management? Options are A. Discipline, B. Disciplining, B. Decision making, C. Exchanging routine information, D. Acquiring resources. Correct option is B. Decision making. 23. Which of Luthans' managerial activities involves socializing, politicking, and interacting with outsiders? Options are A. Traditional management, B. Communicating, C. Human resource management, D. Networking. Correct option is D. Networking. Question number 24. While the functions, roles, skills, and activities approaches to management all differ, they all recognize that effective and successful managers must develop which of the following? Options are A. People skills, B. Technical skills, C. Efficiency, D. Entrepreneurialism. Correct option is A. People skills. 25. An OB study would be least likely to be used to focus on which of the following problems? Options are A. An increase in absenteeism at a certain company, B. A fall in productivity in one shift of manufacturing plant, C. A decrease in sales due to growing foreign competition, D. An increase in theft by employees at a retail store. Correct option is C. A decrease in sales due to growing foreign competition. 26. If a person responds the same way Over time, attribution theory states that the behavior shows options are A. Distinctiveness, B. Consensus, C. Consistency, D. Continuity. Correct option is C. Consistency. 27. Dash refers to the network of personal and social relations that is developed spontaneously between people associated with each other. Options are A. Formal organization, B. Informal organization, C. Business organization, D. Government organization. Correct option is D. Informal organization. 28. The cognitive process through which an individual selects, organizes, but misinterprets environmental stimuli is known as. Options are A. Perception, B. Projection, C. Selective perception, D. Misperception. Correct option is D. Misperception. 29. The more consistent behavior, the more the observer is inclined to dash A. Attribute it to interpretation, B. Attribute it to internal causes, C. Attribute it to consensus, D. Attribute it to external causes. Correct option is B. Attribute it to internal causes. Question number 30. Which of the following is one of the relationships proposed in expectancy theory? Options are A. Reward satisfaction relationship, B. Satisfaction performance relationship, C. Rewards personal goals relationship, D. Effort satisfaction relationship. Correct option is C. Rewards personal goals relationship. Question number 31. In Maslow's hierarchy needs, which of the following pair of needs is ranked as lower order needs? Options are A. Physiological and safety needs, B. Physiological and social needs, C. Self-actualization and safety needs, D. Social and esteem needs. Correct option is B. Physiological and social needs. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.